All right, we're playing the game one more time. This time with one of those beef sticks to enjoy all night long. But you're cold, girl. Getting warm. Cold. That was the last place. I walked around the room making noises. The last place was right there. She's getting warmer. Oh, where could it be, Bella? Did I hide it in the kitchen? Oh. No, it's not. Where is it? I'm gonna find that thing. Just looking everywhere. I hid it in a place where I felt it would also communicate a message. It's underneath this food bowl, and the message I want to communicate is eat your food. So we'll see. Let's see, where could it be, girl? You can actually see it So I'm sitting here steaming my face and watching the Samson movie, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, does this young actor villain know that he is working with Billy Zane? And I don't think he does. I don't think he realizes. And then I'm also like, oh my gosh, I think this is so real. That's my face steamer. It's getting real.
Oh my gosh, this face steaming is like, wow.